namaste to all the educators in the world. I'm reaching out to each and every educator around the world with the message that it's time to really look into this profession altogether with the lens of creativity, freedom, flexibility, and learning. I've been a teacher myself and I am a teacher myself, and the growth in teaching profession is kind of perceived as, you teach it for a few years, or you grow in the ladder, or you become a principal, or then you years and years of experiences, and then you reach out to the leadership profiles, or you go a different pathway wherein you start something of your own. Maybe you're a tutor, or maybe you're teaching someone, or you're developing some products which are, basically we all are here to teach something. We have something to kind of offer to the world. I wanted to just highlight one fact that there are a number of teachers in the world who are passionate, are crazily dreamers, who are ambitious. However, there's certain limitations or access to the further development stops them to really express and come out to their highest potential. Now, that was the problem which I thought I must be solving as a person being impacted by the entire process of the limited approach towards your career upliftment. And I wanted to break through the whole idea of that you don't need to walk the traditional path or walk the design path, which is acceptable in certain ways, and you end up spending your 15-20 years in becoming something or doing something that you always desired to do. So you want to understand what is your desire, what is your ultimate purpose, where you have something that you are able to offer to the world. You might learn 10,000 skills. You might be excellent in different profiles and portfolios. You can make your portfolios of different versatility. However, there's always going to be one thing that you are passionate about, and that's something that only you as a brand can offer. And which is why I came up with an initiative called Teacherpreneur program. I call it in hashtag Poverty 2022, wherein I'm offering a versatile course module for teachers around the world. Explore, get access to technology-based curriculum courses. You can develop your own educational consulting organization, or be an individual as a brand who's offering educational services. And imagine that you no more will be on the job. You'll yet be able to teach children, you're contributing to the parents, and you're also serving schools. If you're interested in understanding this magical world that I'm about to create, and it is rightly created for all of you passionate educators around the world, write to me what you feel about this thought, and I'll share all the details about upcoming courses and programs and videos just for you, crafted by heart, just for people around me, and with full respect to the people who have sailed through in this pandemic for about it's been third year now, especially in India. In India, if you're on job, you are on job. When I was exposed to this aspect of, hey, I can be doing a job which is full time, but I'm also running my own company elsewhere, and this freedom or access to build or design your life, we all deserve. No corporate law can stop you. If you're in a job which threatens you to do that, I think you should not be in that job. Unless that's something that you enjoy or satisfy yourself or creatively satisfying and you're being on the top. So understand one thing. Life is right now. We are not going to plan future or look at future. We are just going to see how can we make our day by being a learner with flexibility and freedom, and how can we design our careers inside full freedom and flexibility of our own. Give time to the families, give time to your own children or your parents, as well as build your own brand and career and reach out to the highest potential that you're born for. So you have something to offer to the world. Why not discover what it is? Join me for that. And together we can make a community which is empowered. Link in my bio. Check out what's there for you. And if you are somewhere interested in doing what I'm doing or in the services I'm offering, write me an email. I am going to respond to you right away. Let's create together the world of free agents who are up to make the world a better place to live. Thank you.